Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Google and enabling Gemini Saree. This gives you the model and interface. Next, load your primary inputs, images, text prompts, and any parameters such as 512px output size or 0. 7. Creativity, so the system has context. Make sure you've granted permissions for camera, mic, and files, otherwise the session will error. Once those are in place, open the Saree workspace and create a new project so you can start running the first inference. Now you configure the workflow. Pick image to text, multimodal edit, or full generation and set batch size and compute target, CPU or GPU. Adjust parameters like temperature, max tokens, sampling steps, and any diffusion or alignment settings. These affect creativity and fidelity. Run a small test batch to preview results and check the logs for warnings. If the output needs refining, iterate the prompt and parameters, then save checkpoints so you can roll back if a change degrades quality. When you're satisfied, export the final assets in the desired format, PNG, JPEG, PDF, or JSON with metadata, and pick resolution and compression settings for delivery. Do a quick QA pass to validate outputs against requirements and compare with earlier checkpoints to ensure consistency. If things go wrong, clear the app cache, reduce batch size, update GPU drivers, and inspect error logs. These steps resolve most failures. If an error persists, revert to the last working checkpoint and incrementally
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.